Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy tool that's a must-have for anyone who needs precision on the go, the Singer 50003 ProSeries Retractable Tape Measure. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check it out for the latest price and availability. The Singer 50003 is a retractable tape measure that stretches up to 98 inches, or 8 feet long, making it an incredibly versatile tool for a variety of measuring tasks. It features a sleek teal design that not only looks stylish but is also made from durable vinyl, ensuring it can withstand regular use without losing its flexibility. One of the standout features of this tape measure is its compact size. It's designed to easily fit in your pocket or bag, and it can even be attached to a lanyard, keyring, or peg for quick access. This makes it perfect for those who are always on the move or need a reliable measuring tool that won't take up much space. Now, let's talk about the measurements themselves. The tape displays both inches and centimeters, which is incredibly useful for anyone who works in different measurement systems. This dual display feature makes it suitable not just for general use but also for more specific applications in crafting, sewing, or home improvement projects. Who is this product suitable for? Well, it's perfect for a wide range of people. If you're a DIY enthusiast, whether you're working on home renovations or crafting projects, this tape measure can be your best friend. It's also great for tailors or seamstresses who need a reliable measuring tool for fabric. Even if you're just a parent trying to measure furniture or spaces in your home, the Singer 50003 will make your life a lot easier. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're in the middle of a sewing project and you need to measure fabric lengths accurately. The retractable feature allows you to pull out the tape and easily retract it back when you're done, minimizing clutter and keeping your workspace tidy. If you're hanging pictures or shelves, the tape measure can help you find the perfect height or spacing to ensure everything is aligned properly. Moreover, it's also great for those who might need to measure items in a store or while out shopping. Need to check if that new piece of furniture will fit in your living room? This tape measure is compact enough to carry with you, ensuring you can get accurate measurements whenever you need them. In summary, the Singer 50003 ProSeries Retractable Tape Measure is a versatile, durable, and user-friendly tool that can meet a variety of measuring needs. With its compact design, dual measurement display, and reliable construction, it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and anyone who simply needs a quick and accurate way to measure.